this is Kiran. Today I would like to discuss with you about the periodic table and how can we remember the elements of the periodic table. In this session specifically I do concentrate on elements of S block and P block. So periodic table is merely depiction of arrangement of chemical elements or chemical substances. It's simply a display of arrangement of or organization of chemical substances. You know the periodic table mainly consisting of rows and as well as horizontal rows and columns. Okay, the columns, vertical columns known as groups and horizontal rows are known as periods. Let us start with how can we remember the elements in the periodic table, specifically S and P block elements. I will start with the first A group. Here first A group, okay, first period, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, cesium and francium. So here I will give you the idea to enhance your ability to remember all these chemical substances. Here I do consider one Hindi sentence. Okay, हेलीना के रबड़ी से, हेलीना के रबड़ी सस्ती और फ्री. हेलीना हाइड्रोजन, lithium, helena यानी natrium, sodium, K, helena K, K means potassium, rabdi that is rubidium, okay, then cesium, sasti, or free, francium. Isn't it interesting? Next we will go for the next group, that is second A group. Here I will start with beryllium, magnesium, then calcium, then strontium, then barium, then what you call it as radium. It's very easy to remember again. What is the sentence? You know, simple. Beta mange car or scooter, baap raji. Beta mange car, scooter, baap raji. Simple. So beta means B, beryllium, mange, magnesium, Ca, calcium, car, Sr, strontium, scooter, Ba, okay, pop, that is, okay, barium, and finally radium. So beta, mange, car, scooter, bap, raji. It's very easy to remember again. Then I will consider the third A group, that is P block elements. Now we have already studied the S block elements. Here in first A group, in SA block elements are called as alkali metals. In second A group, these metals are considered as alkali earth metals, these elements. And D block elements are transition elements. We will study D block elements later on. Now we do concentrate on these P block elements. I will start with third A group. Here third A group, I refer it as a group of vegetables because I use the names of the vegetables specifically to remember the elements. We'll start with B, then aluminium, B, boron, aluminium, then gallium, okay. So that here B, bangan, Al, aloo, gazer, teal. So बैंगन आलू गाजर in थैली में, very easy. So boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Then we will consider fourth A. So here in case of a fourth A group, again I will consider very interesting feature that starts with the carbon, then silicon, then germanium, then tin, then plumbum PP, You know what is the sentence here? Kasi gaye Sant Prabhu. C means carbon, Kasi. Kasi. Okay, Kasi. C means silicon. Gaye, germanium. Okay. Then Santa, tin, as well as plumbum, P. Kasi gaye Santa Prabhu. Then I will start with the, what you call it as, the nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay, nitrogen, phosphorus, then consider arsenic. Then I will consider, okay, Sb, antimony. Okay, then we will consider finally Bi, bismuth. What is the sentence here? You know, very interesting. You know the actor Nana Patekar. Nana Patekar asli mein sabki bhai, because he is involved in most okay, in a social okay, activities, socially involved. That's why here Nana Patekar asli mein sabki bhai. Next we will consider the next row. Starts with oxygen, then sulfur, then selenium, then tellurium, then polonium. Very easy it is, and interesting also. Oh, savadhani se tepo. You know what do you mean by tepo? Tepo means copying. But student, I am not encouraging the copy. Just it is one way of remembering the elements. Okay, so that O, savadhani se tepo. O means oxygen, savadhani se sulfur, and then Se, selenium, and T, tellurium. Okay, then polonium. Next we will go for the next row. So that it starts with the fluorine, halogens. These group elements are called as halogens. So that chlorine, then bromine, then iodine, astatine, At. So फिर कल बाहर आई आदित्य, और एल्स फिर कल बाहर आएगा ऑटो वाला. Very simple. So फिर, okay, fluorine, कल Cl, chlorine, बाहर Br, bromine, I, iodine, आदित्य, astatine. Very simple. Then we do consider last group elements known as noble gases. So here I will start with the helium, then neon, then okay, and then argon, krypton, then what you call it as xenon. Then we will consider Rn, okay, radon. So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So here Hina, Neha और Karina जीते रहे. Very simple. Hina, Neha और Karina जीते रहे. So that this is how we can remember all the elements of the periodic table very easily. So that here again totally in the first period horizontally I am considering 2, okay, then second 8, then 8 periods, then 18 periods and 18 periods. So 18 3s are 54, then 30 to 32. Totally in periodic table 118 elements are there. So that in modern periodic table there are totally 118 elements. If any new element discovered, that would be kept here in this, that is 119th element, 120th elements, that would be kept, okay, in this manner. Then here do concentrate here in the, okay, third B group. Finally, 6th what you call period and 7th period. Third B group, 6th period and 7th period. We will, I had actually marked here. Okay, so here again totally 14 elements are there, those are known as lanthanides, and here again 14 elements known as actinides. That's why here, that is totally 18 and plus the 14 elements of these two periods, so totally 32. 18 plus 14, so 14 elements are here, lanthanides and actinides. We will study these later on, so that students, this is how we can remember the chemical elements in periodic table, and it is the very easiest way to preserve all types of these elements in your mind. Thank you.